Please read before playing. This game contains flashing lights, depictions of intense violence and gore, as well as gruesome and disturbing imagery. It features jump scares, strong language, and loud, sudden noises. Player discretion is highly advised.
Ano ko tika po 3 spilles en tika sotti.
Rainbow Gate.
Long time no see normal mode. Story mode. Wakadama to ang ito.
Dear Mr. Miller, my name is Sarah Johnson, and I would like to hire you to investigate the disappearance of my brother, Michael Johnson, who vanished without a trace 2 weeks ago. Although the police are currently investigating, I feel they may be overlooking some details. The current information suggests a possible connection to Rainbow Gate, an abandoned toy company and amusement park. I fear that Michael's disappearance may be linked to this location. I am aware of your reputation and ability as a detective and hope you will consider taking on this case. You are my last hope of finding the truth. I have attached a photograph and personal information regarding Michael with this letter. Sincerely, Sarah Johnson. I decided to travel to Rainbow Gate to investigate the truth behind the disappearance.
Long time no see.
This is it. Rainbow Gate. Looks even worse than the photos.
I know, right? Long time no see. Tiedätte mattomikoa. Tiedätte spillonnikoa, kun mä sekoit sinaktot tää. Nyt se pakko. Siinä on selvä roh. Siusamia atlas pangmira. Sinitsitara kayak sudah. Hey, jogging me.
Wait, what's this? Glasses?
I don't know. Hamang kita tiedätte tämä reaktio. Tiedätte dia stimuta. Sinne nakamawa udah. Besok.
What's hidden at the end of the rainbow?
What the hell is going on? Where am I? What happened?
Where am I? Sorry, just. Kuulen niitä kokkarastua. Se on.
I am Mr. Rainbow. Welcome to Rainbow Gate, a wonderland you will never forget. You have been chosen to join our...
Quando tässä on näitä tänne nädys. Ainakin livingaa. Kanu sa pisua sinaktok tungana. Hyvä puzzle. Ja mä seisin sinne vasta ymmärtämään. Siapa pateri? What they do, what they want. He's coming. 신기하게 신났어로. Nó mới trời sụp quá chừng. Ala pa 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 pa. Thank you. I'm too scared. 까보지쇼 엄마. 아이야. Tuossa sinua kysyn sun mohtusena dum. A-E-I-P. Uji mudah-mudahan. Ça joue cause. Meow. There goes. Akapuga. I'm quit. Sumabing ko ang mga kapong. Bye. I'm too scared. Ito ako simpuan. Sa I can do that. What was that? Loksaksani. Bisilo kakasinangarok bunga. Sinemias pilihan. Ay. Hello. Subscribe. Ooh. 지나갔나? 난 치. Naon na sila. Ganon. How?
I think it's probably blue. No, it has to be navy blue, and then red, and then yellow. No, it's red again, and then black.
What?
I think it's probably blue. No, it has to be navy blue, and then red, and then yellow. No, it's red again, and then black.
Ana passport. Tunggu to. Apa to? Sekniusak. Tunggu to. Red 동역 독범 이치 아 Ano ba sinakpok? Naman. Takot siya nga bersama nito. Apa itu maksudnya mak? Apa itu maksudnya itu nakso David Ochipo?
Document ArcTech Report Project. Moonbear version 2.5 Rainbow Gate has launched a new product, Perfie the Moonbear, a lullaby companion, available in 2 versions. A 40 cm version for retail and a 200 cm version for amusement parks. In the early stages of Moonbear's development, the engineering team, led by Dr. Mason, faced numerous challenges with the 200 cm version. Due to the limitations of technology at the time, creating a complex animatronic robot with natural movements proved difficult. The problems and obstacles encountered included cumbersome and noisy mechanisms. Initially, the mechanisms used for Moonbear's movements were large and complex, resulting in disruptive operational noise. Whisper motion technology had not yet been developed, preventing Moonbear from moving as quietly as Elias desired. Unnatural movements. Moonbear's movements in the early versions appeared stiff and unnatural. The joints did not move smoothly and the robot was unable to express any facial expressions or emotions. Unstable sensor systems. The sensor systems used to detect light in the environment were unreliable, causing Moonbear to malfunction frequently. For example, it might start moving while there was still light or stop moving when it was dark.
Why not? Siya. Pwede kakasakay. Ah. Kinatokoshimasu no sutakusho. Poor key. Understand you. Who's the murder? You are. Now you. Should be protein. You are. Oh, machst du ab. Ho. Hammer. Come on! Turn on muna minisimang.
Now that the masks of all the killers have been ripped away, it's time for judgment.
Susunod na? Sana ito ang takong itok si Manging. Jumpy time! Hey! Ah.
Document News Note Death Hug. Ricky animatronic kills young boy. An unforeseen tragedy occurred at Rainbow Gate, a famous amusement park, when a large bear-shaped animatronic robot known as Ricky, the park's Red Bear mascot, fatally injured an 8-year-old boy. This incident caused sadness and shock among the public, raising numerous questions about the safety of robots in amusement parks. Yesterday, while the Wilson family was relaxing at Rainbow Gate, their young son, 8-year-old Tommy Wilson, became fascinated by Ricky, the large red bear animatronic and the park's star attraction. While Tommy's parents were talking, Tommy quickly slipped under the fence. He walked up to Ricky. As Tommy approached, Ricky opened its arms in welcome. Tommy smiled and hugged Ricky. Ricky's arms wrapped warmly around Tommy. But then, the unexpected happened. Ricky's arms began to squeeze Tommy tighter and tighter. Tommy began to have trouble breathing. Tommy's parents, who were watching, noticed the abnormality and rushed to help. But before they could reach him, Ricky's arms tightened even further, crushing the boy's chest violently until his small body snapped in two.
Snivi naksin na naksunog. What do you do? What do you want? Saan ipituro mo siya? Ni ako ta sa shot. Susas. Berbeda kakak semua sudah. So nari misok ay. %. Parang mitch karipatat asyo na ribanit. Understand? Kama swakshi, kama tut. Apa tu siu-siu cakap asyo gina. In 2 3 4 5. Tama 5. Tu siya sa kanyo sa in 2 3 Pingasud. Tama, tu siya tunguyok-tok. Ayun na, tunguyok-tokin na. 1 2 dalawa ni 3 4 5 6. Tama, 6. Tama, koksok panutok, masakot. 1 2 3. Ano dalawa ni 4 5 6 6 6. Nakabatuwa kita siya. %칭공은 했던 내 말이라가 점수가 위아스 고다 상이 또가스 아
Rabbit? Snake. Are those clues?
rabbit I hate this. Rabbit, snake, birds. Oh,
Hi, I'm Midnight Bunny. And you, yes, you are the lucky guest of tonight's little show. Feel that? My lovely carrots, they're craving the finest fertilizer. That's why I've prepared a very special performance just for you. It's a magic show called Turning People into Fertilizer. And that person is you. Come and eat my carrots now.
hey!
I'm tasty. Put me in your mouth.
This way, I have a special carrot waiting for you.
Ôi. Nó đùa xuống nước xuống.
This way. Come and eat my carrots. Special carrot waiting for you.
Jesus suckers. Rabbit says. Okay, rabbit says. Two. En, to, tre. Kom.
I'll give you a chance to run, but in the end,
Aku kuy maksud. Kahit kamanian nakpagkatawo din na kayang bunga damas. Just fun. Daar kom ik zo warm in in dat kits.
I'll give you a chance to run, but in the end, you'll come back. This way, I have a special carrot waiting for you.
Shoot. Shield. Zes. Oké. Siusa. Gaan we dan gewoon zo mooi access doen.
This way, I have a You can't come and eat my carrots now.
Bye.
Come and eat my carrots now.
Not me!
I'm going to shove my carrot in your mouth.
Trong mồm ba sọc trong mồm ba không có gì mới rớt. I'm dead.
You can't hide forever.
Ha ha ha!
I'm tasty. Put me.
Yep. Jesus. 3. Shield. 6. Sinibilangin na kang. I'm quit. Oni.
Damn it. When the hell am I going to get out of here?
I'm alive, son of a bitch. Ooh. I hate Paris. Push. Ah, te cultura de vaca. Không có cháu nữa cho một cọc thật thật chứ gì số. Green, yellow, blue. What? I guess not. You son of a bitch. Ah, heavy ass.
Document robot from hell, from a source of technological pride to a symbol of horror. Rainbow Gate's animatronic robots became the target of public condemnation after the tragic events that claimed lives. Anger, fear, and grief transformed into curses that echoed everywhere. Hell robots, killer robots, slaughter machines. These are the words the public used to call Rainbow Gate's animatronic robots in hatred. They saw these robots not just as machines that malfunctioned, but as representatives of death that took the lives of. Beringito Napi VEN Okan Gilakslun Anda Oh tre Tama NT Icho Clever Apa cerot bunga
children are craving the delicious honey that's in the Queen Bee's castle. But if I go myself, I'll surely be chopped into pieces by the Queen Bee. Brave adventurer, could you please help me? Go into the castle and get some honey for me. In return for your kindness, I'll give you a rainbow coins.
Табанга кисситериарлугуна аниарлаарпуасит qunusinaastun puisin тaqсорсимассаатамасабаа таллам такус бабай